Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to view Photoshop PSD files as thumbnails. As you can see here, I have a Photoshop file saved and currently I cannot see any thumbnail. The first step is to download a program. You can find the link to this program in the description below. Once you have downloaded the program, double-click on the .exe file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the program. The installation process is quick because this program is only a few megabytes in size. After the program is installed, you should be able to see the thumbnails of your PSD files in File Explorer. Simply navigate to the folder where your PSD files are saved and you will see the thumbnails displayed. And that's it. Now you can easily view thumbnails of your Photoshop files. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.